I think it was a good idea closing your window.
Ow!
Shit! Whee!
I can't believe it's going heavier. I didn't think it was possible. Fucking hell.
It's raining off the roof.
Yeah. Ow!